New features and enhanced workflows in Navisworks 2024 connect Navisworks Manage to the Autodesk Construction Cloud and to civil engineering projects. Before a construction project breaks ground, it is important to identify and resolve constructability issues. The Model Coordination module in the Autodesk Construction Cloud provides automated clash detection features to help you quickly identify coordination issues for models hosted on Autodesk docks. In the Settings area of Model Coordination, you can designate one or more folders to be used as coordination spaces. Clashes are detected automatically when you add models to those folders. Clash results are displayed in an intuitive matrix, and the updated clash detection engine displays the results faster than ever before. You can choose different coordination spaces for different purposes and workflow types. For example, you may need to create a coordination space with automatic clash detection turned off to use Navisworks clash capabilities only. As a result, the Clashes tab displays a message informing that clash detection is unavailable for this coordination space, though the other tools remain available. With these models aggregated in Viewer, you can save them as a named view, making it easier to access the model content later. You can open models in Navisworks directly from coordination spaces in Model Coordination using the Coordination Issues for Autodesk Navisworks add-in. You can also search for projects within a selected account. Contributor name, company, and profile pictures are now available, showing the latest user access and time of the last update. Columns can also be resized to focus on model details, and tooltips are available if names are truncated. You can quickly filter the list to show coordination spaces with clashes turned off. With the Clash Detective feature in Navisworks, you can perform advanced clash detection on more than 50 file formats. Navisworks Manage enables you to review individual clashes in context to help find and resolve conflicts. You have access to comprehensive tools for grouping your Navisworks clash data by model hierarchy, specific properties, or level information. You can customize your clash groups by adding a prefix or data label to help organize the results. Create and share issues across the project team to simplify communication during the model coordination stages of your project. You can also batch create issues from multiple sections, including groups. The issue titles will automatically include the clash tests and group names, and you can populate the form with key information needed for the issues. Created issues are available in the Issues tabs of Model Coordination, regardless of whether they were created in Model Coordination, Navisworks, or Autodesk Docs. Issue details can be reviewed by a wider audience, improving collaboration and issue resolution. The ability to seamlessly share issues between Navisworks and the Autodesk Construction Cloud enables the features of these products to be used in tandem during the model coordination of your projects, providing a single source of truth for your entire project team. Navisworks 2024 also supports Civil 3D alignments to improve detail quality and collaboration. You can aggregate the model in Navisworks and identify Civil 3D alignments to review. The control window allows you to customize the frame, aspect, and navigation of the alignment and section view. This improved control enhances the coordination between design disciplines and makes it possible to identify design inconsistencies and issues prior to construction. Expanding the capability for civil engineers to review and coordinate models leverages the complementary capability of Navisworks and the Autodesk Construction Cloud.